acha nikwambie, mtu wenye matunda mema yatarushwa mawe. And you guys, before you date, hata when you are dating, choose your man wisely. Choose your man wisely. Now if your man is not giving you money, run away. Kwa penzi yakapona rapi. Yeah, you run away. Morife run, like you run. Nidekeze niliwaze, wasushuke wanyamaze, nikinuna ibembeleze. Like now, mi napenda mapenzi, napenda kupendwa, but sasa at some point before I date you have to. But hata Gila napenda drama, so you guys, she's just playing with your mind. She's happy. You think she's heartbroken, eh? Gila napenda drama. Mi na watch tu hivi nikicheka because things zenye zina like watu wana vitu wanasema sema huko, they are just funny. Then mimi na chambo juu ya nini? I am not married. I am not what will I say? Mi hata siwezi ingilizi mambo zao. Watu wanapendana siwezi kuingilia kwa sababu utakuja utapata watu wanapendana lakini wamepangana. We, mi sitaki mambo zao. I'm minding my own business, my dear. I am having my own problems right now. I am dying because I am heartbroken. That's other things. It's none of my business. It's Gilo takuja afungue live yake awaambie about what is happening, what has been going on about her and shit. But me now, I am telling you, if you want to hear about myself, you can come, and if you don't want, you leave the stage. You leave. Nimekula nini?
Download the app on the go and get food, groceries or anything you want in minutes.
I can't cook.
Exclusive on wasafi.com.